What's your rating, your price target for Lululemon? And like a lot of other areas in retail, does Lululemon have an issue with too much inventory?
Yeah, so look, we're favorable on Lululemon. We have been for a while, so we have an outperform rating. We have a $400 price target, which still suggests some decent upside from current levels. To get to your question, look, the market, what we've seen over the last now several weeks, I'd say, is that market sentiment towards this athleisure and sporting goods space, including Lululemon, has really soured. Now, in my view, and what we're telling our clients is, look, we think this is an opportunity because and I think as we'll see from Lululemon when the company reports its quarterly results after the close night, I think trends at Lululemon are actually tracking quite well, and I think that's going to that should generally be an upside surprise to this, like I said, rather soured market sentiment.
So I'm looking at the estimates right now for Lululemon's same-store sales, a key metric for any retail store. The forecast is for same-store sales to increase by 12%. So you're saying sentiment about athleisure is souring. So is Lululemon just completely bucking the trend? Is there something that's keeping people going back to the store and buying more? Because it's also pretty expensive when it comes to athleisure.
Yeah, so look, I think the answer to the question is yes. I mean, Lululemon has been performing better than other athleisure brands. I can talk about that more in a second. But I also think the big trend here, and I talked about this with Nike as well, is that you've had this shift. We're dressing more casually as a society, right? So these leading athletic brands like Lululemon are taking market share from elsewhere in the clothing space. People are dressing more casually, but within athletic wear, Lululemon has really been a top performer. This is still a relatively small brand. It's much smaller than Nike, much smaller than other brands. So, from that standpoint, there's more runway, so to say, for Lululemon to continue to grow, both in the domestic market, in the United States, as well as overseas.
Brian, when you say people are dressing more casually, I think you're really talking about yourself. I know we were talking, you say you wear the pants with just a jacket to work all the time. We have a lot of people here at CNBC that do the same thing. I think they wear the ABC pants to work and just put a blazer over it. So you're right. That's a pretty broad trend. The other thing I want to talk to you about is e-commerce. So right now, Lululemon gets about 40% of sales from e-commerce, direct to consumer. What does that mean long-term for this brand and this company as we see a lot of softness when it comes to people going into retail stores and a lot of spend going from goods to services?
Well, look, on the e-commerce side, I mean, again, one of the advantages for Lululemon and the company's still relatively young business model is that they've been largely developing from scratch. Okay, so as you look at Nike, and again, we're big fans of Nike as well, but one of the challenges for Nike over the past, I'd say now several years even, has been rationalizing their wholesale base and driving more sales direct to consumer. Lululemon, on the other hand, is for the most part a direct-to-consumer brand. They have their websites, they have their stores, they do a little bit of wholesale, not much. But again, that's allowed them not to have to do that dismantling, if you will. So I think that's a big positive just from an overall, business model standpoint. Again, direct-to-consumer, the real key is that a company like Lululemon can control its brand better, can control its pricing better, connects better directly with its consumers. And again, I think as I think about this, how this evolves and how Lululemon continues to grow from here, that's a big positive.